Okay, since this is going to be a big test, I thought I would do a review with you. Don't expect this for every test, but you are special. So do these 3 problems and then turn me back on. Oh, let's make this equals. Okay, find equation line standard form perpendicular. Well, the slope of the line given is 1/3. So the perpendicular slope would be a -3. So it'd be y minus 1 equals -3, x minus 2. So y minus 1 equals -3x plus 6. Standard form, no fractions in standard. I'm going to get the x and y one side, so I'm going to add 3x. And I'm going to add 1. Hey! Now graphing. These should be pretty easy, I hope. Y in a number is a horizontal line. And I want greater than, so that's above. X in a number is a vertical line. That's smaller, so that'd be this side, so it overlaps right in here. This one, should have already drawn these, but hey, that's the way it goes sometimes. So, the y-intercept's -1, the slope is 3, so up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, and it's solid. And I'm going to pick the origin's not on it. So, is 0 greater than 0 minus 1? Is 0 greater than -1? Yes. So I'd shade this side. Let's see, this one, the y-intercept is 3, slope's -1, so down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Solid. And is 0 less than 3? Yep. So it's everything on this side. Yay! Now, matrices, do you remember them? Here's 5 problems. Freeze the video, do them now, and then turn me back on. Okay, so A is 2, 3, 1, 4. And I want to subtract 2 of these. So I'm going to distribute a -2. So 2 times -1 is 2. 2 times 4 is -8. That's a 0. That's easy. And then 2 times -2 is -4. Now I'm just going to add all the ones in the same location. So 2 and 2 is 4. 1 and 0 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 and -8 is -5. Now, multiplying by scalar, that should be free points. Oh my goodness. So -3 times 1 is 3. -3 and 0. -3 and 4 is -12. -3 and 2 is -6. How we doing, kids? A and D, to multiply, they have to be the columns of the first has to equal the rows of the second, but they don't match, so can't do. So A and B, 2 and 2, 2 and 2, clearly we can do it. And if you remember, it's rows, rotate here, so -2 and 4 is 2. 2 and 0 is 0, and 1 and 2 is 2. 3 is -3, and then 4 and 4 is 16. Doop, 0 and 8. So B and C, this is 2 and 2. This is a 2 by 1, so you can do it. And let's see, -1 and 3 is -3 and 0. So that'd be -3. 1 and, 4 and 3 is 12. 2 and 1 is 2, so that'd be 14. Did you get them all right, I hope? Flip the page. Okay, there's some laws of exponents. Do those and then turn me back on. So, okay, this would be negative 4 and 5. Notice we're not distributing. So, negative 20, x to the 7th, x to the 10th is x to the 17th, y to the 17th. And that's it. Okay, cube both terms, so 27 over 64. This one, when you raise base to a power to another power, you multiply. Oh, this is going well. Okay, dividing the coefficients, you do like a normal fraction, so that'd be 2/3. That'd be x on the bottom, because when you divide two things same base, you subtract the powers. Y squared, and anything divided by itself is 1. So that part's done. This would be x to the 6, because it's x cubed and squared, over x to the 15th. Divide two things same base, you subtract, so it's 1 over x to the 9th. Here, x to the 0, anything to the 0 power is 1. So you just have x to the 10th on the bottom. Y to the 20, y to the 10th. Whenever you divide two things same base, you subtract the powers. Put a 1 on top. Now, negative power always throws people. Only the x has a negative, so it'd be 5 over x. Here, both are squared and both are flipped. Negative powers would be 1 over 9x squared. Here, the negative power, bring it on down. Negative power, bring this one on up. So we have y to the 4th, y to the 10th, over x to the 3rd, x to the 10th. So this would be y to the 14th over x to the 13th. How's it going? I think we have time for one more level. Do these 3 problems for me, please, and then turn me back on. Okay, product raised to a power, you raise both to that power. So it'd be x to the 18th, y to the negative 30th. But negative means move it on down. Here, distribute the 3. 3x squared minus 18x minus 6. Distribute negative x minus x squared plus 4x. 3x squared minus x squared is 2x squared. Minus 18x plus 4x is minus 14x minus 6. Now, foiling. Hopefully we have that down by now. X and x is x squared. 6x minus 4x is 2x minus 24. I guess we'll have part 2 to finish this off.